Let's start a walk into a world where skeletons sing, brides are already dead, and even a scissor-handed boy can find love. Yep, I'm talking about Tim Burton, the guy who turned the animation into a playground of spooky, magical awesomeness. Tim Burton didn't just animate stories, he made us feel deeply. You know, that eerie but beautiful vibe. Like you are in a haunted house, but instead of running away, you're like, yeah, I'll stay for the tea. That's pure Burton magic. Fun fact, Tim started as an animator at Disney. Yeah, Disney. But let's be real, his gothic sketches and dark humor didn't exactly scream happiest place on earth. So what did Tim do? He leaned into his weirdness and gave us gems like Vincent and Frank Weenie. Two adorable spooky tales and Scream. Yep, this is 100% Burton. And then there is The Nightmare Before Christmas. You thought Christmas was just candy canes and carols? No. Jack Sellington took over and made it way cooler. Those stop motion puppets, every single one of them was hand sculpted and moved frame by frame. Imagine the patience, like serious Zen level patience. But wait, there is more. Corpse Bride, an entire love story told with puppets. Creepy, right? Sure. Emotional. Oh, 100%. Tim proved that even the dead can tug at your heartstrings. Burton's creativity starts with a stretch, wild shapes, exaggerated eyes, and characters that look like they walked out of your wildest dreams. His art says, forget the rules and make your own world. And honestly, isn't that what's animation all about? Tim Burton taught us that it's okay to be different. Actually, it's awesome. He gave us the reason to be quirky, to embrace the quirky, spooky, and the downright strange. So, next time you watch The Nightmare Before Christmas or The Corpse Bride, remember, weird isn't bad, it's beautiful. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay spooky, stay magical, and stay you.